What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So this is 2 weeks after the drive shaft broke. I just installed it yesterday and I had to come over real quick to La Toxica's house. But here's a truck. I don't know if I said it on my last video, but the drive shaft that I went with this time is still the OEM one. It's nothing special. It's the AC Delco. This one's the steel one, same one as it had before. All the same, all the way to the back. So I'm also excited for tonight, guys, because there's a guy that I know here in Houston. He's got the same truck. It's a 2014 Silverado single cab, and he's got like a 5.7 or a 5.8 drop, and he's got a 5.3 headers, no intake, but he's got a 410 gear ratio. That I have the 6.2 intake and throttle body, but that really doesn't make a lot of a difference. It's only 10 horsepower, but it's more, if we're being honest, it's more on the gear ratio side. So if he's got the better gearing, he'll be able to beat me. But from my understanding was that 410 gears are faster off the line, so from a dig he should be able to take me, and from rolls, from my understanding, I should be able to take him. So I'm excited to see how this one turns out, because I did race another guy that he's got the same truck as me with a 5.8 drop as well, if I'm not wrong. He's got the same upgrades as I do, headers, intake, tuned on 85, but the only thing that's different was that he's got the old gear ratio, the 342s, the ones that come stock on these trucks. So I've raced him already, and I beat him by like 1.5 to 2 cars. So now that I beat the old gear ratio with the same setup, I want to see what the 373 gears do against the 410s, since I already saw what the 373 gears do against the 342s. So I'm really excited for this one, because personally, I don't know, it's just me, when it comes down to little things, you know, like a different gear ratio, you know, bigger intake, you know, bigger, you know, if it's the same setup that me and this guy have, and having a different gear ratio than I do can make a big difference. So I'm excited to see the difference that the 410 gears do with my 373 gears. Like I said, I did race someone that had the 342 gears, which if I'm able to get the videos, because they were the ones recorded, because I had no one with me, I'll try to post them up. Let me get myself prepared. On green or on 3? On green. So those 342 gears are a little different from the 373s. I was excited to see that, and now I want to see what the 373 gears do with the 410s. Like I said, it's not about how much power you're pushing, it's about how you put it down, because you could be pushing 500 horsepower and have a 342 gear setup in the back, and it's not going to be able to throw all that power down to the floor.
Right here, I'll just honk it at 25.
All right. For sure. All right. All right, guys, I hope this video did help you out. If y'all are in the market for some gears, if you are looking to get some 342s, 373s, or some 410s, I hope this video does help y'all out trying to decide what y'all want. Thank you very much for watching the video, guys. I really do appreciate y'all sticking through and watching the video. Please make sure to leave a like, make sure to comment, and make sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching.